Unlock the power of Python with Microsoft technology. Python, developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989, is a high-level, adaptable programming language. Its readability, ease of use, and numerous applications in web development, data science, machine learning, and automation have made it one of the most widely used languages today. Python's simple syntax and extensive library make it an excellent choice for both novice and seasoned developers. Its significant industrial demand, active community, and integration with technologies like Visual Studio and Microsoft Azure further add to its allure. Learning Python can open many job opportunities and provide a strong foundation in the ever-changing tech industry. Learning any new programming language can be daunting, but with proper direction, it can also be enjoyable. Guido van Rossum created Python with the philosophy, "This is the only way you know to do it, and that is why it works." Python is a high-level, general-purpose interpreted programming language that primarily uses English keywords for object-oriented programming tasks. Python's versatility ensures it remains relevant in an ever-evolving job market, offering endless potential. It can be applied in numerous fields and industries, ranging from data science and software engineering to mobile apps and machine learning. With over 125,000 libraries, Python's uses span from data analysis and programming applications to mobile phone apps and artificial intelligence. Python's widespread appeal provides professional developers with many career prospects. Companies like Microsoft actively recruit Python programmers. Many large corporations such as Dropbox and Netflix rely on Python, and positions as Python developers tend to be lucrative. According to Indeed, the average annual salary for Python programmers is $108,391, making it one of the most sought-after languages. Python boasts an active and large community. Novices and experts alike will find plenty of support online. Learning Python becomes much simpler thanks to such an abundant body of helpers. Python has one of the world's second-largest communities on GitHub, with 1.5 million repositories as evidence. Python is among the simplest programming languages to pick up quickly. It uses fewer lines of code to complete any given task, making its fundamentals easy to grasp. As an interpreted programming language, it doesn't require compilers for its code to run, saving both time and energy when learning or developing code. Microsoft has shown tremendous enthusiasm towards Python. Python has long been considered the go-to choice for machine learning and data science applications, offering great libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow. Microsoft's Azure cloud platform has strong support for Python, allowing developers to take full advantage of its potential for data analytics, AI, and machine learning applications. Microsoft's powerful Python IDE, Visual Studio, makes using Python in enterprises rigorous. Python's integration with Microsoft's ecosystem, including support for PowerShell, Azure services, and other products, streamlines automation and scripting processes. The Python library. Pygame has gained attention for game development on Windows systems, further showcasing Microsoft's commitment to Python.